Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the importance of taking care of yourself as an entrepreneur and the importance of doing little things for yourself that makes a big difference in how you feel about yourself. Now, I have a real treat for everyone today because I have partnered with FabFitFun on this video. And this is going to be my first impression on the FabFitFun box. And all of my opinions are my own. So here is the box. And they are a season subscription box with fashion, beauty, fitness, lifestyle products. And the box is available in the US, Canada, and UK. And the cool thing about this subscription box is that you could customize many of the items in the box. So this is the box that I received for August. And not only do I love the box and how cute it is, I actually love the variety of products and the quality of products that you actually receive. And one of the products that I received was one that I was just reading a few days ago from Beauty Prepare, which is an antioxidant shower gel. So I can't wait to try it on. And I received also a total of 8 items along with some coupons and the FabFit magazine. So the box is valued at over $200, but you only pay $39.99. And you could use my coupon code Badillo, which is my last name. I will leave the link and coupon code below the comment sections as well. And let's go ahead and take a look inside the box and see all the goodies and the cost of each product that I received. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of the products are actually the same cost of the box. So you're getting a lot for the value of just $39.99. So let's take a sneak peek. So the first product that I mentioned a few seconds ago that I received is from Beauty Prepare. This is the one that I had read prior before. They're an antioxidant shower gel, and this actually runs for about $30, and it was included in the actual box, which is pretty cool. The second product that I received is from a company called Heist. They're a Tranquility sleep mist, and this usually runs about $22. The next product is from the Laundress. It's a crease release. It removes wrinkles basically for your clothes. This usually costs about $16. The next product is from Skin & Co. It's a cleansing cream. This runs you about $28. And then the next product I received is from NCLA. It's a rich cuticle oil for your nails. This runs about $18. I also got included a cotton basket, which is really cute to put all my products in there. The value of this is $60 plus additional products like the Denise Gross Pore Perfecting Serum, and then these nectar glasses to protect your eyes from blue light. So all of these products cost more than the entire box. So you got to think about that when you're investing. You're investing in yourself, but all of these products collectively together are over $200. So these are the additional products that I received. These are coupons, and then I got their FabFitFun magazine, which is really cute. Now, what I love more than the products is that FabFitFun has great initiatives and fall theme. So keep in mind, each box raises funds and awareness for nonprofits. FabFitFun is dedicated to supporting female entrepreneurs, which I love, and many of the products in the box are from female-founded companies. In addition to that, as an effort to reduce waste, they have switched to 100% recycled craft box and paper, which is really, really great. And their theme for fall is to gather the harvest. So this year they're gathering joy and happiness, and FabFitFun is finding new ways to maintain old traditions and create new ones while embracing the people that we love. And a great thing that they're doing now is that due to COVID-19 and millions of children don't have like the healthy school meals that they depend on because of school closures, FabFitFun has partnered with No Kid Hungry, and they're committed to ensuring kids get 3 healthy meals a day during the crisis and beyond. So that's just amazing. It's a remarkable company where you could treat yourself, while still making a difference in the world. So just think about it that way. And the cost, I mean, you're getting so much value for just $39.99. So if you're interested in learning more about FabFitFun and getting your subscription box, I will leave the link right below this video with the discount code. If you have any questions, let me know below. Thanks for watching.